Up to the orange cones. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to give you guys a great show. Yes. If you guys are ready, everybody say yeah. Yeah. Okay, what the hell was that? He's right. If you don't want to see it, we don't want to do it. Now give us some New York energy. If you guys are ready, everybody say yeah. Yeah. Say oh yeah. Oh yeah. Say start the show. We will, don't rush us. Now we got 3 rules. Rule number 1, if you see something you like, you clap. Rule number 2, if you see something you do not like, you still clap. And rule number 3, when the music comes on, everybody finds a rhythm. White people especially.
We love you white people, we do. And we have black jokes too. Want to hear a black joke? Shut up, sir. This guy's...
No, what the hell was that, man? Nobody clapped. What was that? Because she liked it? You know what? Let her know. He's single with 5 kids. You do not want that man. You do not want him. Let's wake him up. Everybody clap. Everybody clap. Now he's gonna wake you guys up.
Level up. All this on me so yummy. All this on me so yummy. No, you want this yummy. Yummy.
Everybody give my great friend Snacks a big round of applause. No! You guys on this side, can you please step up to the orange stones? You have nothing to be afraid of. We're not gangsters anymore. Yes, everyone step up. If you move your legs, your body will follow. Try it, step up. Do you speak English? What language? Spanish? Avanza mucho amor, come on. Ahora. Ya. Ah. Okay, now listen up. Nobody moves. You guys head straight. Arms to the side. And please close your legs. It's not that kind of show. Close up shop. I am looking at this line and something is missing. Something is missing. We need
an Asian guy.
One Asian guy.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Where's your boyfriend? Oh, he Asian as hell. Make some noise! Stop the show. Yeah. Come here. You Asian as hell. Damn, you got a back sack and that. Alright, now listen up. Hello. How you doing? I'm pretty good. Where you from? China. He's not. Where? Korea. Wait. North Korea or South Korea? South. Nah, West nigga. You number 2. Yeah, let me hold your bag real quick. You can trust me, I'm from the Bronx. The safe part. Y'all with him? Nah. Hold this. You hold that, and everybody else watch him. No, give him back his thing. I'm gonna show you though. Here we go. Now listen up, one more thing is still missing. We need a diva. America's Next Top Model. No. Say, get yourself a sugar mama. Get a sugar mama. Stop the show!
She says she don't like black guys.
Damn.
I'm gonna try again.
Go ahead. We got a diva? Make some noise! Yeah! Right, guys, mind your business. Head straight. Mind your business. No, he's not. Yeah, you got a cool haircut. Yo! Where you going? No! We said put on the line. Have a good time. No, move us, skinhead. No, Snacks is late. Oh, dude. Now listen up, no more games. It's about to get crazy. It's about to get dangerous. Let me tell you what's about to happen. It's going to be a black guy running real fast with no police behind him. Then he's going to attempt to flip over. You guys might want to squeeze together. Tighten up. We call this male bonding.
Hey, sir! It's okay.
Yeah. What are you doing? Why are you so happy? That's not good, but he's good. Very good. He's good. He will go. Hey, yo, not that close. Is a freak. You turn around. Yeah. How do you like that? Hey, sailors! Hey, get off him. You get to the back. No. Turn around. He doesn't trust you neither. You take your hands off this man. He don't trust you neither. Now listen up, Eric. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we take this jump, you guys must know we've been performing for 10 years. Make some noise.
Yeah.
Thank you. And we know what you guys are thinking. I said we know what you people are thinking. Why are these talented guys out here? Could it be for money? Yes, because we know that as soon as we take this jump, everybody's going to walk away and leave. Because this is a so-called street show. We didn't leave when you guys got here. So if you're going to leave, now keep in mind, an average donation to a show like this is $20. If you don't have $20, if you don't have 2 tens. But ladies, if you give us $100, we'll go home with you tonight. So guys, before we take the jump, we're gonna take 1 minute to go around and collect your donations. Hold it up, show your love. And the more you pay, the safer they are. Yes, it's true.
Coming around New York City, coming around. Any donations if you liked our show? Hold them up, New York City. Coming around, guys, coming around. Any donations if you liked our show? Stop the show! 20 from where? Make some noise! Thank you, Jersey, thank you. What's up, E? 20 from where? She like black? I'm on my way. Make some noise! Thank you, sweetheart, thank you. Stop the show! From where? Make some noise! Thank you, Florida, we love you. Stop the show! From where? The ghetto. Make some noise! Thank you, UK. Thank you, thank you. Stop the show! From where? Make some noise for Switzerland! Thank you, thank you, thank you. We love Switzerland. Thank you. Oh shit, we lost the white guy. And children, sweetheart, you're safe. After the show, okay? I'm working. No, you're safe. You're safe. Come here, kid. Where you from? Morocco. Oh, you're loaded. Give me 100, kid. Give me 100. You have 100? Now listen up. When you go back home, I want you to tell all your friends when you came to Times Square, 4 black guys jumped you and gave you $10. That's for you, kid. Make some noise for the kid, guys. Make some noise. No, don't give it to him. Don't give it to him. Hey, give me the damn money. Put it in your pocket. This is New York. Put it away. You're safe, buddy. Thank you. Now, fellas, listen up. This is a very big jump. $20 can save your life and put you in a front safe. $50, you can leave and never come back. $100, he'll go home with you tonight. And he'll do it. He's bisexual. He's bilingual. Bilingual. You, step forward. Where you from, sir? England. Do you speak English? Just a little bit. Any donations, England? Any card? You can swipe. No, I'm joking, I'm joking. It's the chip. I don't want the chip. No cash. Do you have Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Apple Pay, food stamps? Apple Pay. Talk to that guy over there. Yep. You, step forward, sir. Where you from?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Is that a Rolex?
It is.
Okay. I'm Switzerland. We need 100 from you, sir. Which one is your wife? That's nice. You're safe. She's hot. You, step forward. Where you from, big guy? Scotland. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York, sir. Any donation, Scotland? He's going in. He's going in. We just got 150. No. Yeah, one. Okay, another one, sir. Another one. Yeah, this is New York. Everything is expensive, I know. It's crazy. I don't make the rules. Get to the back, sir, you're gonna die. I'm so sorry, that wasn't enough. You, step forward. Hello. And where you from? Canada. Now you guys have free healthcare. We need 50 from you, sir. Let's go, Canada. He's going in. He's going in! What the hell? Let me see this. Save that for college, kid. That's for you. You get to the back, sir. You. Step up, big guy. And where you from? Florida. It's a vacation state. And they're loaded. Any donations, Florida? She's with you. You're safe. Over there, handsome. Asian guy, step up. Now listen up, Asian guy. We don't want your money. Give us the iPhone 20. Okay, money. Nothing. You know, what do you have? Nothing. Sell? Talk to that guy over there. Thank you. Let's do the jump snacks. What's up? You look cool. That'd be you. I just can't. I'm trying to grow this and it's not. Where you from? From New York? Or like where you from? Like from Afghanistan. So that's why you have all of this. Yeah, that's since you was 12, right? He's going over. Keep your head down, guys. My partner is black, not Jesus. Don't move, guys. Don't move. Everybody stand up. Everybody hold hands. Keep in mind, there's only one race in this world today, and that's the human race, ladies and gentlemen. That's our show. Thank you and God bless, guys. Thank you. Thank you.